So we're headed to get the train. Wait, are you going the right way? So guys, we just came to pick up our train tickets to get us to Koh Tao. You have to come over here to the DOB building, which is right across the street or the highway from the train station. Super simple, super easy. The lady was very kind. We came and picked up our tickets for the train, the bus, and the ferry. The price went down, so she gave me a refund of 156 baht and gave us free water. So super easy. Instead of crossing through all the traffic, just take a right out of the DOB station where you pick up your tickets, and you can come straight into the metro, and you can walk all the way under, all the way across the street to the train station. And so here we are at the train station. They do not serve food on the train right now, I'm assuming because of COVID or alcohol. So we will probably try to find some things before we get on the train. So we came back across the street because we have a little bit of time before our train leaves, and we are on a train that serves no food. We don't get to our destination till 4 in the morning, so we came to get a couple beers and we came to order a little snack before we leave. We've got like 45 minutes to catch our next train, or to catch our train. So we came over here. So train station is there. The place you need to pick up your tickets if you book with 12 Go is like right around the corner here. So it's literally right across the street, the DOB building. So we have arrived on our train, car 12. Seats 5 and 6. This is what the trains kind of look like. There goes Joey. So we each have a lower bed. So at night, these two beds just kind of come down together and create a bed. And then the bed up top, whoever's up there, it just kind of pulls down. But this is the sleeper train, overnight train to Koh Tao. Hopefully it's comfortable. The AC is blasting, so I'm happy about that. Tell you this, there aren't any outlets and there's no Wi-Fi, so make sure all your devices are charged before you get on the train, because you're gonna want to like listen to your music or watch a movie. Make sure you download it from Netflix before. I think Joey had downloaded a couple things from Netflix to watch on his laptop. I have a movie on my laptop, but yeah, there's no Wi-Fi, no outlets, so I'm pretty sure my phone's gonna die before we get to Koh Tao. We'll see. Everything is wrapped, so everything is super clean and fresh, and we're gonna enjoy a nice long ride to Koh Tao. Guys, it is 6 in the morning. We made it to Chupon train station, and now we have to catch a bus and then a ferry to Koh Tao. So here we go. Made it to the pier. Took about maybe 35 minutes from the train station. So now we're here, and then I guess we'll wait for our ferry to go over to Koh Tao. I think we're taking a high-speed ferry. I'm not really sure yet, but we will see. Guys, so we are officially, look how beautiful this is, on our way to Koh Tao Island for a few days. Then we'll hit up Koh Phangan, but right now we're going to Koh Tao. Look how beautiful this is out here. It's amazing. It was, at the end of the day, it was a 10-hour train ride down. We left around 7:30, got here at like 5 something in the morning. Then the bus from the train station over to the pier was about another like 35-40 minutes. And now I think this ferry ride should take another like 2.5 hours, or hopefully less. But it doesn't matter, because I don't know if we can check into our hotel anyway. And I believe this may be our ferry. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is. So I thought we were getting on the big boat, but then we came from the big boat up there and we walked all the way down to the speedboat. So now we're on the speedboat. So guys, we just arrived to our hotel, the Châtelet Hotel in Koh Tao. It looks really, really, really cool, really nice. We're enjoying it so far. Now I just want to give you guys a peek inside of our room in Koh Tao. Of course, I'd like to show you guys when it's all made up, but we get here and we're exhausted. So this is our room. It's not so big. 2 double beds. Of course, we have a really nice mountain view over here, which I really like. The hotel is like off of the main road. It's very quiet. It comes with the standard safe, mini fridge, a coffee, tea warmer, TV of course, phone for room service, free Wi-Fi, that's the best. AC, you always need a room with AC. In Thailand, it's always hot. We also have a nice fan up here that I really love. The room is small, but it's actually pretty spacious. Bathroom, and then of course you have the shower and toilet. I don't like that there's so much connected, but it is what it is. It's Thailand, super modern. Here we have our pool area, which I really love. There's also like a bar over there. A nice little villa up there, I believe, but the pool is amazing. The temperature is amazing. Gives us a nice little mountain view if you need. Little sitting area as well. We didn't get the poolside view, we got the mountain view, just because sometimes I just like to look at trees and shit while I'm out. You also have your bathrooms for the pool, and then you have showers. Always shower before you get into the pool. And this is our main lobby with where breakfast is and where we check in to do stuff. You can also get beers, smoothies, food over here. This is really great. Love this place. We did rent a motorbike from here as well. We also booked a snorkeling tour for tomorrow, which is really cool. They have all these like really cool tours that you can book, so we booked those. We also got 100 baht off because the guy's super amazing. The motorbike we got for the day, it was only 200 baht, which is about what, $6. We've had it all day. We're gonna turn it in tonight because we're gonna be out tomorrow on that snorkeling tour. It takes us all around the island of Koh Tao. We're gonna go to about 5 beaches. We're also gonna go to another island, so we're very excited about that. And I'm gonna go pick up laundry right now while Joey takes a nap. And just like that, laundry is right around the corner. Hopefully she has it done. If not, it's okay. She said she'll have it done between 5 and 6, so Here she has it down. Oh, here she is. I'm gonna pass it. Came to pick up the laundry, folded, clean. They always do a really good job with laundry here. It was only 40 baht per kilo. That's like $1.10. So we got that done. And now we are off to go fly the drone some more. So we came down to Sari Beach tonight to have a few cocktails. They have great happy hours down here. A lot of hostels and hotels, restaurants and bars along this beach. So can't wait to dive in and see what they have to offer. There are also a lot of souvenir shops as well as massage places as well. I see a lot of families over this way. However, I don't think this is really, well, maybe it could be a family part of the beach, but I feel like this is more of a young, hip type of vibe from what I've gathered so far. Jovi went to go park the bike, so while he's doing that, I'm just kind of looking around for a place to settle in for a nice cocktail. So this is where we have chosen to have our first cocktail of the evening. Beautiful spot right here on the beach in Koh Tao. Sunset's coming, so should be an amazing time.